So what happens if you just upload shorts on your YouTube channel? What happens if you just record them and upload less than 1 minute videos on YouTube? And that's all that you do. How does it affect your YouTube channel, subscribers, and your earnings? I'm going to talk all about it today. Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. I am Rashim Mogha, and a couple of weeks ago when I uploaded my first estimated earnings from my YouTube channel, many of you asked this question saying, Rashim, you uploaded a mix of YouTube shorts and long videos, but how does it really change? How does the game really change when it comes to your subscribers and the monetization and the money that you make out of the YouTube channel if you only upload shorts? So I did this experiment for one long month, and here I am with the results today. So in the month of May, I only uploaded shorts every day for first 3 weeks. And then for the remaining one and a half week, I uploaded a couple of shorts every week. And what I noticed was that for first 2 weeks, my subscriber count went up drastically. So every day I was getting, remember mine is a small channel. It's about 1,300 subscribers right now. So every day I would get 10 to 15 new subscribers. And that was great. So first 2 weeks of when I was uploading shorts every day, I gained subscribers, and I gained them at a frequency that was much higher for my channel. And it was wonderful. My views were going great. They were not drastically up, but the views did improve. Now, what happened after that, though, it was surprising for me. Then, after about 2 weeks, I started losing the subscribers very quickly. And there was no way for me to figure out if these subscribers were subscribers from my channel from before, or the subscribers that I had gained for the first 2 weeks that I was losing. However, for the subscribers who are not anonymous on my channel, I noticed that I didn't lose them. So my assumption is that after 2 weeks, I started losing those subscribers that I had gained in the first 2 weeks. Now, after that, what happened was interesting though. In those remaining 1.5 weeks, when I just uploaded a few shorts here and there, where there was no rhythm or consistency to the uploads, I not only my subscribers reduced, but the views that I was getting on my channel also reduced drastically. It got to a point where I was just getting about 16 to 25 views a day, which is considerably lower in terms of what I get as views in a day. So then what happened was that essentially by the end of that experiment period, basically my subscriber count is a little lower than what I started a month ago. And obviously the monetization, because my subscriber count was low and number of views were low, the monetization went down too. However, interestingly, for one of the shorts, I noticed that when I turned the monetization on, I had monetization on actually for all the shorts. But for this particular short that I had monetization on, I saw some money coming in from that short as well. So a couple of learnings from this entire experiment: do not just rely on shorts. You will gain subscribers quickly for the first couple of weeks, and then you'll start losing them as quickly because there's nothing to hold those subscribers onto your channel except for the shorts that you're creating. The second thing is you'll see the monetization go down. You'll see the number of views go down. And the third and big learning for me was I was not turning on the monetization very early on when I started my channel for shorts. I went back and turned on monetization for each of my shorts because now I know that you can actually monetize the shorts as well. So that's my learning. The experiment is over. I will be back on my regular schedule now, uploading videos for you every week. Stay in touch. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell icon so that you can receive new videos every week as I upload them. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.